basically I got front drive shaft, I got CV axles, I got transmission coolers, transmission lines, all flywheels, everything. I'm gonna start going through all this stuff and posting it for sale or junking it, so. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please subscribe if you like what we're doing, building trucks, all this stuff. But I do have a little bit of probably bad news for you guys. Videos are gonna be changing up a little bit here, just for a little bit. I am currently back in California after our insane road trip that was so awesome to go across the country. But I'm starting to check out the Marine Corps. So what that means is I have to pack up all my stuff and start getting ready to go, and it's a mess right now, but I'm gonna show you anyways. I have quite too much Duramax stuff just everywhere. I got wheels. So if any of you guys are local to SoCal, looking for some race line, I believe they're 17x9s, probably a 0 offset. I'll let them go cheap. I have a Duramax block here, which I would like to keep, but I will sell. It's a good bottom end, pretty much. I think one of the cylinders had a little bit of pitting. I have to check, but I don't know. It was better than the motor I traded him. I couldn't find the pitting on it, so basically I got front drive shaft, I got CV axles, I got transmission coolers, transmission lines, all flywheels, everything. I'm gonna start going through all this stuff and posting it for sale or junking it. So if you guys want it and if it's worth something, I will sell it. If it's not worth anything and you guys pay shipping or whatever, like probably like the flywheels and the stock clutch I have for the ZF6, if you guys need that, just give me a little bit of cash and something to cover shipping. I will give it to you. I have a stock intake box. We're gonna go through everything. But anyways, guys, I am unloading the bumpers out of this truck off the stock, or off the big truck that is now in Rhode Island, which kind of breaks my heart because I don't get to drive it anymore. I have all my military issued stuff in here, so I can start turning that stuff in and start my process on getting out of the Marine Corps here. But like I said, guys, we're probably gonna roll into more like vlog style videos because quite frankly I don't have that much time. But I would like to say thank you guys for 7,000 subscribers, or a little bit over it now, but I appreciate all of you guys and thank you for sticking with me and all the new followers. I appreciate you guys subscribing. It's gonna be a wild ride for the next few months, but we get to get this truck ready to go across country too, as we just drove the other one. So we're gonna be doing some repairs on this, some maybe performance upgrades, I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. I still owe you guys that transmission build video, so that is coming soon. We're gonna see what else today brings. I gotta just keep moving, but I gotta unload these bumpers and throw them in this mess of a storage unit that is already overflowing. And then on maybe this long weekend, because it is 4th of July weekend, I'm gonna go through all this stuff and try and organize and start throwing away stuff that I don't really need. So it's always something, but I just want to let you guys know, like, because I'm trying to be very transparent here, is that the truck build stuff for the next couple months probably will be on the back burner a little bit. There's just a lot going on and I really need to get like my life together and get all this stuff ready to go and get out of here. But like I said, if you guys want anything or are looking to get anything, we'll hook you up. I'll try to sell some of this stuff. Some of the stuff I wanted to keep, like this motor, but I'll let it go for a good price. It's got a brand new cooler, oil cooler on it. I took the water pump off it because I needed it, but it's solid. The dude took care of it. And like I said, these wheels too. So enough rambling. I will, yeah, enough. I'm gonna carry on with my day. I think I hung around work just a little bit too long, and we're definitely hitting some traffic now, which is absolutely miserable. 132 days and I'm out of California, guys. 132, but who's counting? Oh, it's only 2:46. I didn't think it would be this bad. So, I'm trying to go wash the truck real quick, and then, yeah, who knows? I don't know. This sucks. I was cruising right along too. I didn't think I was gonna hit that much traffic at like 3, but whatever. We'll get there eventually. All right, guys, at the car wash. This thing is filthy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's been sitting for like 2 weeks, so we're gonna give it a wash. And voila, the truck is clean. So one less thing to do in the next few days. I still have to clean out the interior, but at least we got her looking halfway decent again. So I'm gonna roll out and carry on with the rest of our day, but I think that's about wrap it up for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe, guys. We got a lot of good stuff coming soon, so catch you later.